Now it's fine. Okay, so we are going to start now. So this is the base. This is the interface or UI of PyCharm. Okay, which we are going to
Okay.
use for our Python learning, and this is the first program that we are going to write. So in Python is basically a programming language which help us to uh, interact with machines. Basically, programming language is a part from which we can directly communicate with computers, because computers only understand binary numbers. So we can write our logics and something in any programming language, and it just converted by compiler, this compiler in machine language. Okay, so Python is one of that. So Python is
Okay.
considered as high level language. So there is a difference between high level language and low level language. Low level
Yeah.
languages are those languages which are more similar to the assembly language. Okay, so if you have heard about C programming or Ruby or Scala, have you heard about
Yeah.
C programming?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so the syntaxes in that are little bit difficult as compared to Python. Okay, Python is little bit
Mhm.
similar to English language. Like if we are going to, if we want to print something, it's simply print and hello world. So here you can see print
Mhm.
is a keyword. Okay, so there are predefined keywords in every programming language, as what as Python also have. So there are some keywords which are already defined. If this word comes, it will understand that it has some definite purpose. Okay, so print means printing something, and for printing we are going to use some brackets and then same inverted comma, this one, and inside this whatever will be written will be printed on the terminal. Here you can see, here I have run my code by using this run test, or we can also use this terminal as well. Terminal, you have to go
Okay.
and you can see here, just write ls. Ls will show you that whether you are on this current directory or not, like test.py
Okay.
is in this directory. And if I'm going to run this file, I have to simply write python test.py. You can also see the output is
Okay.
hello world. Okay, so by this way,
Okay.
we can run our program. One way is from GUI, which is graphical user interface, and another way is by terminal command. So this is the terminal command to run our program. So this is the first program that you have written. Means for printing something, we can use print and this type of syntax. Okay. So now,
Okay.
if I'm going to, if I want to take input from the user. Okay. For taking input, we just have to write input and inverted comma. What is your name? Okay,
Okay.
so here you can see, if I will run again this code, so you can see hello world and what is your name. So I can write my
Mhm.
name as Aditya.
Okay.
Okay, so my program is finished now, but you haven't seen any output here for print. If we want to take any input and then I want to print that input in the next line, what I have to do, I have to just store this input in some variable. For declaring any variable, in Python it's very simple. Okay, like other
Okay.
languages have some definite syntaxes. Like if there are four
Mhm.
types of data types, data types, I'm just writing
Yeah.
here. Data types are the units of the variable. Okay, if you are talking about integer, so int is a data type, character is a data type, a string is a data type. Okay, double is a data type, float is a data type. So these are the data types. So the good thing in Python is, if something is defined, we don't have to declare the data type previously. Okay, we just simply write the variable name and input. It will automatically detect what data type it is. We don't have to justify that whether it is integer, character, or string. Okay, but in other languages we have to define. If we wanted to take input as a string, so in C language we have to write a string name. Okay, but in Python it's very easy. Just write name as in name. It's a variable which will take input and input message. This is called as input message. As what you can see here, the message will has been written here, isn't it?
Yeah.
This input message will be shown on the terminal, and whatever you will write will be stored in this variable in the name. Okay, so if I wanted to see that what print name, fine it is. So now I'm going to run
Mm.
this again. Here you have already observed that in this I have written inverted comma. Okay,
Mm.
all the messages were there, but here I haven't written inverted comma. This is because this is variable. Okay, for variable we don't have to
Okay.
write inverted comma. We just simply write the variable name, whatever we have declared. So if we run it again, suppose your name is Karthik, enter. See what it here it is,
Okay.
Karthik. Okay. So from this program you just learn how to take input. So if I want to write in some better way, like if I want to write like this, print my name is this. We don't know the name, but we have to take input from the user and print the name as my name is, whatever the input will be given by the user. So for that we can write like this way, my name is this. Okay. So whatever the input will be taken from the user will be printed in this format. Here you can see I'm running this program again. Hello world, what is your name? And if I am writing here any name like Karthik, my name is Karthik. Okay.
Okay.
Have you seen this?
Yeah, yeah.
So what you have understood, if we want to concatenate something, like in Python for concatenating, we just simply use plus symbol. Here you can see,
Okay.
and this is variable. And here you can also add some different message, name plus, and I do, and I am a. And what I am, your profession will be written here.
Mm.
And if we want to define profession, we just write. You have to very careful where for your all the things should be same. Okay. And we
Okay.
put what is your profession. Fine, it is. We have
Mm.
defined our variable. Firstly, hello world, then name. Name input will be taken inside this variable. Profession, input message will be this. What is your profession? And the input which you will put here will be stored in this profession. And the final result where you will see like this. So I am going to run this program. You can see. Hello world, my name. What is your name? So Karthik, enter. Again question is, what is your profession? Software engineer. Okay. So here you can see, my name is this, and so for here you can see and Karthik has no any space. So how this will be corrected?
Mm.
You just have to add one space after this.
Yeah.
Okay. And I am a this. Okay. Fine it is. So
Yeah.
now you learn about how to take input and how to concatenate a strings. This is what you have learned
Okay.
in Python. So suppose if I wanted to know the input length of the string. So for that, again I am running this. This. My name is ABC and I am teaching. I am a teacher. Okay, so this type of thing is you have learned this, and now I'm running. So if we want to know the length of the string, that what is the length of the input string, for that, what we are going to use, this is length.
Len. Len.
Yeah. So length is equal to len, and you can just write name print. So this is used for commenting the Python code. Okay, hashtag.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So you can see the red line here. Can you see
Yeah.
the red line? Red line is because this
Yeah.
name, I have used this name variable, but it is not defined previously because I have commented this line.
Okay.
So if I
Okay.
uncomment this, now the error will be gone. Okay. So
Okay.
Python read the code line by line. First it will read this line, and again this line. Whatever the comment is written, it will be skipped by the compiler. Okay. So now you can
Okay.
see this way. So if I have to print like length,
నువ్వు పైన చేసుకోవాలి రేపు నాకు పండుగ మళ్ళా రేపు లేకపోతే నువ్వు ముందు ఇక్కడ పైన చేసి వెళ్ళిపో గిన్నెలు వస్తే ఉంటాను వాడేటి ఏమి ఉండవు వాళ్ళు పైన చేసి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి మరి ఏం చేసుకోవటం వాళ్ళు ఇంటికే కదా పోయేది అది ఎంగిల్ గిన్నెలే
what is
కదా
your name?
ఇక చేసుకుని అటు వెళ్ళిపో వెళ్ళాలి
Can you tell me why is the error it?
The length,
ఎర్రది ఎర్ర
because where length is the int character, and then this is the
Correct,
concatenated
correct, correct.
value. Yeah,
Yeah,
it is the-
that is what. So for that, what we have to use? We have to use
okay,
F a string. Okay,
okay,
F a string. If we use F a string, we can concatenate a string means a string plus integer. Okay, without that you
okay,
can't complete. So here I am writing again. Wait, this is the correct syntax of this. Firstly, firstly see the output, then we will write the correct format of F a string. Calm down.
okay,
See, this is 8, isn't it?
okay,
So len word is used for calculating the length of the string, whatever the input we are taking. So if we want to
okay,
concatenate a string with integer, we have to use
okay,
this word. F a string, I am showing you what it is. F a string in Python. If you are stuck at any point, you can simply refer to this documentation. W3 School and Geeks for Geeks have very much good documentation for Python also. Okay,
okay,
so you can see here, if a string allows you to format select part of the string. Here you can see txt f, the price is $49, print txt. See here, price is 59. So if I wanted to write price inside this, so okay, so this is the correct syntax for this. Okay, if a string means
okay.
this, and then you have to do like this way. So can you tell how we can do this now? I know the
Yeah.
length of the string. Okay, I just want to write
Mm,
our output like this way. The length of the name is
okay,
this. So how we can write?
okay, okay,
See, you have to do this. You have to tell me how to do this. We know the here
okay,
whatever written price 59. As what we know the
okay,
length. Okay.
okay.
So what we will do? We'll simply replace this price as, I'm just giving you example, length.
Okay, okay,
The length of name is, length is dynamic value na, we don't know
yeah,
the
dynamic
length value.
value. Mm.
Now you can see, is it correct? Can you tell me?
Yeah, now it's correct. No,
Now it's correct na? Okay.
yeah, now it's correct. Yeah.
Hello world, what is your name? So my name is Sriram. So you can see the length of name is 8,
8.
isn't it?
Yeah.
So by this way you can add any integer to a string. You don't
Okay,
have to use plus symbol. Previously we are using
okay,
this because a string can be concatenated with a string by using plus symbol. But if we are writing any dynamic integer inside a string, we have to use f a string. Okay.
okay,
So this is the correct syntax for this.
okay.
Fine it is?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. So now you learn about, okay. So just open your pie chart, and I'm giving you one task first, and you have to do your hands on with this part. Okay. Because I'm
Okay,
just writing, you are just learning. But a better way is to write by yourself. So you
okay.
have to create a program. I'm just giving you one task. Just share your screen. Please share your screen.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Up to now, whatever we have studied, I'm giving you one task, and you have to perform that. Open the pie chart.
This also we have to give a
Yeah, next.
we have to click anything or press next.
No, you don't. Wait. Update the content, create association. Just you have to create update path variable, restart needed, admit to the path. Yeah, you need to, but restart will be ready. Just do next. I think don't need to do that. Just do next. Install. Previously, you have run Python in your system or not?
No, no, no.
Haven't run. Means you don't have any Python
No,
extension
I
in
do not
your.
have. No, I do not have.
Okay, means you have to run it in your variable in moment. You have to edit it. But do next. I will tell you if that will not work, then I will tell you what to do.
Okay.
Meanwhile, you can open the online compiler. Just go to the new tab and open
Collab,
Colab. Yeah, Google Colab. For Python, this is one of the best
Okay.
compiler online. Jupyter Notebook, Google Colab you can use.
Okay.
So just open code, click on the code beside commands. Yeah, click on code.
Okay.
No, just create a new file. Go on to file and create new file. New notebook. Yeah.
Use on the road.
We just have learned three things: printing, input, length, and f string.
Okay.
Okay. And also how to concatenate strings, how to concatenate integers. So
Yeah.
the task is your screen is not visible. Right? Maybe you are entering passwords that way. Karthik, your screen is not visible.
Hello?
Yeah, hello Karthik.
Yeah, it got
Internet
logged out. I don't know
internet
why.
disconnected?
No, no, no. Suddenly it got logged out. Not internet disconnected, but I don't know how it got this logged off. I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, share it.
Yeah, share the screen.
I have just shared a message in the chat box. I'm just sharing. Wait. And you have to do like that.
Yeah. Okay.
Create a small introduction program that's ask from the user name, age, and hobby and print like this. So
Okay.
you can see. So this is your task, and you have to
Okay.
write a program for this. Very
Okay.
basic. Just this is only for gets your hand friendly for Python syntax and all for basic.
Okay.
Okay. So whether you can use understood now what is the task?
Yeah, understood. I think.
Output should be same like that. Okay.
Okay.
The last output should be same exactly like that way. 21, everything. You just have to think whether to use
Okay.
if a string or a string concatenation what you are using.
Okay. But this is coming in second line, no? Then
No issues. For that you can use slash n. Okay.
okay.
Slash n can be used.
Okay. Within the inverted columns only, we can use slash n, no?
Yeah, yeah. Inverted colon slash n plus then you can write in the same line. Or you can also use two print statements. Okay.
Oh, two print statements is fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Just open
Now,
Google Colab.
good collab, huh?
Yeah, Google Colab you can easily do. And till then, if
Okay.
PyCharm is downloaded, then I will also tell you about that.
PyCharm is downloaded already.
Yeah, open it. Today we are just going through the basics and syntaxes part. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
I'm not getting too deeper because first day is there now. So I just
Yeah.
want to know that what your learning is in this. Then we will move on ahead.
Okay. Okay.
So just do confirm next continue. Allow. It is by JetBrains. You know JetBrains company.
I heard about it. Yeah.
Activating subscription, but you don't have to worry about that. It is completely free.
Okay.
Yeah. New script.
Do you want to install latest Python?
Yeah,
Yes
yeah,
or
yeah.
no?
You have to install this because interpreter, you will not run any kind of ID. Yes. You can download Python any version above 3.10.
Okay.
3.14 is downloading. It's good because what happens? Python's library is updating very fastly because right now Python industry is very much demanding and lots of work is going on now. So
Yeah, yeah,
starting
yeah.
from Python 3.3 till Python
Okay.
3.14, lots of changes has been done and there are lots more libraries has came and previous libraries was deprecated. So when you
Okay.
are trying to run any past Python projects which was built before 10 years or 5 years, that will not run in today's
Okay.
installation or environment. You have to upgrade that.
Okay.
So for
Okay.
that, Latest version is good, but above 3.10 is better. Below
Okay.
3.10 is not good.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, for machine learning and Gen AI part, because after 3.10, lots of Gen AI and AI parts has been built on 3.10, above 3.10 version of Python. So that's why it is
Okay.
recommended.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
if you are learning Python and syntaxes which are below 3.10, you will not able to run your Gen AI and any kind of libraries like Llama Index, LangChain. These won't support in
Okay.
below version of Pythons. Yeah.
Okay.
Just open the new script, and I just have told you the two ways to run. Click on the script.py and click right click there. Not there, in the left panel. Left panel. Hover on the
Okay.
script.py. Yeah, right click,
Okay.
new, new.
Okay.
Yeah, and Python file. Yeah, write the name of your file. Hello world test.py, anything. Dot py should be, yeah, it's there. Okay. So now
Mhm.
write print hello world. Enter tab. You can also use tab there. If
Okay.
the suggestion is coming, you can use tab. Suggestion is coming, then you can use tab. Print hello world.
Okay.
Okay. Just now you have two ways to run. First, go and to the terminal and run. Terminal, not by this way. Yeah. Just check Python dash dash version. Python a space dash dash version.
Okay.
Yeah, it's installed. So just run
Mhm.
the command that I have told you to run Python code.
Python.
Space name of the file. It should be in the same character. Means if there is a capital letter in the first, you have to write capital, then a small, then capital.
Yeah, it's case sensitive, right?
Yeah, case sensitivity is correct. So you can see your
Yeah.
output there. Hello world.
Yeah.
And you can also do by just clicking the green triangle above.
Okay.
So this is the two ways. Okay. Later you
Okay.
will realize that running your code by terminal is more beneficial, as soon
Okay.
as
Mhm.
will move in the higher level of projects. This button will
Okay.
not be most, because there are lots of projects now. Means in one single
Yeah.
folder there will be around 12 or 15 files. So
Okay.
you will run
Mm.
that, it will create some error. So better to go with the
Okay.
terminal also. It is the recommended way. So now go and see the assignment, and you have to do like that way. You have to print the
Okay.
same statement in your terminal and think of how we can do.
Okay.
Could you please clarify what you want to do? I need more details.
Introduction program.